Chinese electric car maker X-Peng has debuted its much-awaited creation, the X-Peng X2, in a major leap towards the future of mobility. With its elegant look, innovative features, and promising performance, this cutting-edge flying automobile is expected to revolutionize urban transportation. This extraordinary vehicle, which costs around $156,000, is prepared to soar over the skies, providing a new dimension of personal mobility. We'll look at how China's new flying car is finally entering the market, the company's path to revolutionize mobility, the car's sophisticated features, and how it lays the stage for market disruption in this video. X-Peng Aero HT, created in 2013 as high-tech X-Peng Aero H team, set out on an audacious ambition to change the way we fly. Beginning in Dongguan, Guangdong, this innovative business set its sights on developing electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft for advanced air mobility. What began as a dream has now developed into a game-changing reality that promises to transform transportation's future. X-Peng Aero HT's early years were defined by unwavering dedication and a tenacious pursuit of technical excellence. The team made a significant breakthrough in 2016 when its flying automobile prototype soared to the sky for the first time, ushering in a new era of possibilities. Flight tests continued and the prototype conducted its first manned flight in 2018. X-Peng Aero HT confirmed its position as a forerunner in the eVTOL sector, with over 1,500 successful flights, receiving international recognition and multiple design awards. In 2019, the X-Peng T1 project experienced amazing success, taking first place in the Chinese People's Liberation Army's individual flying platform competition. The team's commitment to design excellence was reinforced by prominent awards such as the IAF Design Award, Red Dot Design Award, IDEA, and others. The momentum at X-Peng Aero HT continued to build, and their two-seater prototype flying automobile conducted its first flight in April 2020, marking a significant milestone in their mission. The flight's overwhelming success spurred their ambition, and the company got joint investment and assistance from He Xiaopeng, the chairman and CEO of X-Peng Motors, and X-Peng Motors itself in July of the same year. This strategic alliance brought together both corporations' knowledge and resources, paving the way for quicker advancement and market disruption. X-Peng Aero HT was officially created as a dedicated subsidiary in September 2020, marking a significant milestone in the company's evolution and cementing its position as a leading leader in the expanding field of advanced air mobility. As the momentum grew, a single-seater X-Peng X1 was successfully developed and tested in November 2020, adding another amazing addition to X-Peng Aero HT's growing portfolio. The highly anticipated X-Peng X2, a two-seater flying car, conducted its first flight test in June 2021, demonstrating its outstanding capabilities and commercial readiness. Following that, in July, the X2 completed its maiden manned flight test, solidifying X-Peng Aero HT's status as an industry leader and putting them into the forefront of global aviation innovation. The innovative achievements of X-Peng Aero HT did not go ignored, as the company was named to the prestigious Guangzhou Unicorn List in September 2021. This honor recognized their essential contribution in the advancement of enhanced air mobility and established them as an industry leader. The X-Peng X2 is more than just a flying car. It marks a quantum leap ahead in personal mobility. This groundbreaking vehicle, designed with great attention to detail and constructed with cutting-edge technology, is ready to transform the way we move across our cities and beyond. At first glance, the X2's sleek shape and aerodynamic perfection are obvious. Its eye-catching gull-wing design is not just for show. It optimizes aerodynamics for both ground and air flight. The carbon fiber composite airframe, combined with an aviation aluminum structure, results in a lightweight yet strong vehicle that can easily transition between terrains. The X-Peng X2's capacity to smoothly convert from road to air travel is one of its most outstanding features. While many eVTOLs are merely capable of flying, the X2 is a real hybrid vehicle. It is intended to be driven on the road for more than 90% of the time, acting as a luxury vehicle. When faced with traffic or road obstructions, The X2 goes to the air, circumventing ground-based limits and providing an unprecedented level of mobility and convenience. The X-Peng X2 also features cutting-edge technology, transforming it into a truly intelligent and connected car. The two-way 4G/5G communication system provides seamless connectivity, allowing passengers to stay connected even while flying. Real-time video feeds, ground monitoring systems, and omnidirectional cameras improve situational awareness for both the pilot and passengers, resulting in a safe and enjoyable flight. The X-Peng X2's safety is of the utmost significance in its development. The distributed electric propulsion system, which consists of 8 propellers and electric motors, provides redundancy in the event of a motor or propeller failure, assuring the vehicle can land safely even in difficult conditions. The X2 also includes numerous redundant systems and spherical environment detection to reduce risks and maintain ideal safety standards. In the event of an emergency ballistic parachute improves passenger safety even more. The introduction of the X-Peng X2 onto the market has the potential to challenge established concepts of mobility. With its unique blend of road and air capabilities, it provides a new method of transport that is both efficient and exhilarating, saving travel time and giving a solution to urban congestion. The X2 is a premium product for people looking for the ultimate in personal mobility experiences. X-Peng Aero HT, which debuted in China, has its sights set on worldwide development. As regulations change and public acceptance of flying automobiles grows, the business potential of the X2 will expand well beyond its home country. X-Peng Aero HT is prepared to build a strong presence in major worldwide markets, providing to the growing need for innovative and sustainable transportation solutions, thanks to smart collaborations and a forward-thinking strategy. The X-Peng X2 flying automobile is not only an engineering marvel, but it also prioritizes passenger safety and offers a plethora of innovative technologies. The distributed electric propulsion system, spherical environment detection, autonomous return and landing, ground monitoring, omnidirectional camera, and emergency ballistic parachute all help to make flying safe and exciting. The deep grasp of electric vehicle technology at X-Peng Aero HT has enabled them to capitalize on synergies with X-Peng Motors, a major Chinese electric car manufacturer. Through this strategic alliance, they have gained access to X-Peng Motors' huge supply chain, cutting-edge technological competence, and vast network of suppliers throughout China. X-Peng Aero HT was able to speed the development and manufacture of the X2 flying automobile by combining resources, knowledge, and manufacturing capabilities, lowering costs and ensuring a competitive offering. X-Peng Aero HT is cognizant of the obstacles and uncertainties that lie ahead as they continue to fine-tune the X2 and prepare for its commercial introduction. However, with a goal of capturing a large portion of the predicted $1 trillion market by 2040, the corporation is pushing ahead with ambitious manufacturing and expansion ambitions. The X-Peng X2 flying automobile is leading the way as the future of transportation takes flight. The X2 promises to redefine the way we view personal mobility by fusing superior technology, innovative thinking, and unrelenting innovation. The X2 provides an unmatched flying experience, prioritizing passenger safety and instilling confidence in every flight. Thanks to its elegant design, aerodynamic brilliance, and cutting-edge technologies. As X-Peng Aero HT prepares to launch the X2, its ambitions go beyond China, with plans for worldwide expansion. They are prepared to build a prominent presence in major worldwide markets, catering to the growing need for innovative and sustainable transportation solutions through smart alliances and a forward-thinking strategy. Finally, the X-Peng X2 flying automobile is a glimpse into the future of urban travel. Its capacity to smoothly shift between road and air travel provides a solution to urban congestion, as well as an efficient and exhilarating alternate method of transportation. As X-Peng Aero HT pursues its revolutionary approach, the future of transport is poised to take flight, granting individuals newfound freedom and revolutionizing the way we travel across our cities and beyond. As the X2 ushers in a new era of transportation innovation, the sky is no longer the limit. Thank you for sticking with me all the way to the end. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure the notification bell is turned on so you don't miss a video. Take care until the next time.